ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு லிட்ரேச்சர் ஸ்டோரிஸ். இந்த வீடியோவில் யூனிட் 1ல் இருக்கக்கூடிய மோஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் கொஷின்ஸ் பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இந்த பார்ட் 1ல் நான் ஒரு 50 கொஷின்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இந்த 50 கொஷின்ஸோட ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து எண்ட் ஆஃப் த வீடியோவில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு கொஷின் கேட்கும்போதும் நீங்கள் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எழுதிட்டே வந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கடைசி செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ மார்க்ஸ் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு ஒரு நல்ல ரிவிஷன் கொடுத்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். Question number 1. How the word April is spelled by Chaucer in Prologue to Canterbury Tales? Option A, A-P-R-I-L. Option B, A-P-R-I-L-E. Option C, A-P-R-I-L-L-E. Option D, A-P-R-I-L-L. Question number 2. Where does the action begin at a tavern outside of London? Option A, Manchester. Option B, York. Option C, Circa. Option D, Portsmouth. Question number 3. Who will judge the best tale narrated by pilgrims? Option A, Chaucer. Option B, Host. Option C, Pilgrim. Option D, none of these. Question number 4. How many tales are planned by Chaucer? Option A, 24. Option B, 48. Option C, 60. Option D, 120. Question number 5. Who complains Chaucer's rhythm in Telltale and asks him to narrate in prose? Options are A, Monk. B, Melibea. C, Host. D, Friar. Question number 6. Who proposes tell-telling game? Options are A, Host. B, Monk. C, Pastor. D, Friar. Question number 7. Who looks like Robin Hood in a dressed in green and decked out with bows and arrows? The options are A, Squire. B, Yeoman. C, Prioress. D, Monk. Question number 8. Who sings through nose, speaking incorrect French, never spills a drop in eating? The options are A, Prioress. B, Monk. C, Friar. D, Yeoman. Question number 9. Which character is described as manly man by Chaucer and his pastime is hunting? The options are A, Friar. B, Yeoman. C, Monk. D, Merchant. Question number 10. What is the increase of his whining in Canterbury Tales? The options are A, interest in woman. B, interest in land. C, interest in money. D, interest in gold. 11th question is, whose motivation is the increase of his whining? The options are A, Friar. B, Yeoman. C, Monk. D, Merchant. 12th question is, which character spends most on books rather than food or clothes? The options are A, Merchant. B, Clerk. C, Sergeant of Law. D, Franklin. 13th question is, which character is the most financial success in profession and purchaser or land buyer? The options are A, Merchant. B, Clerk. C, Sergeant of Law. D, Franklin. 14th question is, who is known as Saint Julian and firm believer of the philosophy of Epicurus? The options are A, Franklin. B, Merchant. C, Tradesman. D, Cook. 15th question is, one of the tradesmen is not mentioned by Chaucer. Who is that? The options are A, carpenter. B, hairdresser. C, weaver. D, cloth dyer. 16th question is, whose character is described as with broad hips, a big butt, and a hat as big as a boat? The options are A. Shipman, B. Physician, C. Wife of Bath, D. Parson. 17th question is, whom does Chaucer tell as gold in physic is a cordial? The options are A. Ploughman, B. Physician, C. Wife of Bath, D. Shipman. 18th question is, how does not host make fun of Chaucer in Canterbury Tales? The options are A. Little doll, B. Being fat, C. Talkative, D. Staring at ground all the time. 19th question is, in what gender the story is asked by host to Parson in Canterbury Tales? The options are A. Verse, B. Fable, C. Rhythm, D. Prose. 20th question is, which of the four powers of elderly is not mentioned by Reeve in Canterbury Tales? The options are A. Boasting, B. Love, C. Anger, D. Lying. 21 question is, how many cantos are in Fairy Queen Book 1? The options are A. 6, B. 12, C. 18, D. 24. Question number 22. The hero Red Cross Knight gets its name because of. The options are A. Red Cross emblazoned on his dagger, B. Red Cross emblazoned on his dress, C. Blood Red Cross emblazoned on his shield, D. Blood Red Cross emblazoned on his cap. Question number 23. The Red Cross Knight has been given task by. The options are A. Una, B. Duessa, C. Gloriana, D. Archimago. Question number 24. What is the real name of Red Cross? The options are A. William, B. George, C. Andrew, D. Hebrew. Question number 25. What is the real identity of the hermit? The options are A. Archimago, B. Samsfoy, C. Fradubio, D. Spencer. Question number 26. What does Spencer mean in this line? Her vomit full of books and papers. The options are A. Protestant propaganda, B. Roman Catholic propaganda, C. Red Cross fury on beast, D. Beast fury on Red Cross. Question number 27. How many spirits Archimago conjures up to disturb Red Cross? The options are A1, B2, C3, D4. Question number 28. Morpheus is the god of. The options are A. Sun, B. Love, C. Sleep, D. Moon. Question number 29. Fidessa is the daughter of the emperor of the dash. The options are A. East, B. West, C. North, D. South. Question number 30. The tree once it was man, named as. The options are A. Archimago, B. Sansfoy, C. Fradubio, D. Duessa. Question number 31. Spencer does not borrow from dash. The options are A. Don Quixote, B. Iliad, C. Odyssey, D. Bible. Question number 32. The line, a protector and companion to Una, is killed by whom? The options are A. Archimago, B. Sansfoy, C. Sansloy, D. Church robber. Question number 33. Red Cross and Duessa reached the house of Dash, where Lucifera was the queen. The options are A. Fury, B. Pride, C. Love, D. Help. Question number 34. Lucifera calling off her couch, which is pulled by 6 beasts in which 6 dash are taking ride. The options are A. Saints, B. Counselors, C. Soldiers, D. Lovers. Question number 35. Red Cross is about to kill Sansloy, but he disappears in. The options are A. Black Cave, B. Black Forest, C. Black Dress, D. Black Cloud. Question number 36. Who throws Red Cross Knight in the dungeon of Castle? The options are A. Argaglio, B. Dwarf, C. Sansloy, D. Archimago. Question number 37. King Arthur's shield is made up of pure dash. The options are A. Gold, B. Pearls, C. Platinum, D. Diamond. Question number 38. Who is the fairy queen? The options are A. Una, B. Gloriana, C. Duessa, D. Elizabeth. Question number 39. Celia has 3 daughters. One of the characters below is not among them. The options are A. Fidelia, B. Speranza, C. Cherisa, D. Harisma. Question number 40. How was Trevisian's friend Terwin killed? The options are A. Killed by despair, B. Killed by Trevisian, C. Killed by Arthur, D. Killing himself. Question number 41. Where does Red Cross first manage to leave a wound? The options are A. One of its claws, B. One of its nails, C. One of its wings, D. Long tail of spikes. Question number 42. Red Cross rams his sword into dragon's dash. The options are A. Heart, B. Throat, C. Stomach, D. Eyes. Question number 43. Nymphs does not use one of these flowers for preparing bouquet. The options are A. Primroses, B. Rose lilies, C. White lilies, D. Violets. Question number 44. What is the first mythology used in this poem? The options are A. Swan, B. Nymphs, C. Cynthia, D. Cupid. Question number 45. Venus and Cynthia are goddess of dash and dash. The options are A. Love and sun, B. Sun and moon, C. Love and moon, D. Sun and moon. Question number 46. Thames exactly looked like dash, the river of ancient fame. The options are A. Penis, B. Vosges, C. Apennine, D. Emilia. Question number 47. The wedding starts at. The options are A. Southampton, B. Leeds, C. Manchester, D. London. Question number 48. The river Lee with headquarter at. The options are A. London, B. Kent, C. Southampton, D. Tempe. Question number 49. The Earl of Essex walked along the river with his dash hair. The options are A. Silver hair, B. Golden hair, C. Black hair, D. Brown hair. Question number 50. The two young men resembled the twin of Jupiter, namely, the options are A. Castor and Pollux, B. Tredy and Castor, C. Marvu and Pollux, D. Marvu and Tredy. Okay friends, நான் கொடுத்த 50 கொஷின்ஸ்க்குமே நீங்கள் ஆன்சர்ஸ் நோட் டவுன் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. இப்போ வர ஸ்லைட்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆன்சர்ஸ் வச்சு செக் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வீடியோவில் இன்னும் கூட நிறையா கொஷின்ஸ் நான் வந்து கலெக்ட் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு நான் கொடுக்குறேன். ஆஃபனாக வந்து ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருங்க. என்ன படிச்சிருந்தாலும் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணால் தான் நமக்கு வந்து பெஸ்ட்டான ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்கும். எக்ஸாமுக்கு இன்னும் நிறைய டைம் இருக்குது, நல்லா யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். என்னால் முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறேன். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.